You know, I loved woodworking and loved cigars and wanted to put the two together, and had some friends with common interests, and so we looked for really good humidors, quality humidors that would take care of your cigars. And we found some pretty pieces that didn't take care of cigars, and we found some things that took care of cigars but were ugly, so we decided to create furniture with an electronic system that would take good care of your cigars so that you could rely on having a good smoke when you went to get one. Our attorney actually got us in touch with a small wine racking company in Massachusetts. We began to collaborate with them, and then eventually bought that company in 1999, late 99, and actually at the very same time, that's when we became officially a manufacturer. So we actually bought the company that was manufacturing, because we were subcontracting our woodworking to a woodworking shop. So we sort of brought it all together at the same time in late 1999. We have 3 craftsmen that have been here continually since then. Other than Jim Brown and I, we have 1 person in our sales department who's been here since that time too. Our mission is to help people protect their passions and to provide a quality product, provide a quality work environment for our employees, and do well and do good. So it's, you know, it's an easy mantra to follow because everything in that concept is complementary.